Why do 100% of wombats poop cubes? Let's dive into this quirky mystery. All right, animal lovers, wombats have a unique party trick. They poop cubes. Yep, you heard that right, little brown cubes. This cube-tastic phenomenon is all thanks to their super special intestines. As these furry friends munch on grasses and roots, their intestines get to work molding their poop into perfect cubes. But why cubes? Well, it turns out this shape helps keep their droppings from rolling away. Imagine trying to mark your territory with runaway poop pellets. Awkward. By keeping their poop in place, wombats ensure that their territory markers are easily visible to other wombats. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, this spot's taken.